Here we are talking about this 1-year course which is targeting NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, for the wards of the expatriates who are all over the world. I mean to say Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, US, and in different part of the world, right? The government of India, it has made a very special provision for all of you. What is that? They have got a 15% of AIQ is standing for All India quota, so that if you are living abroad, you can simply apply under this quota. Okay, there are currently in year 2021, there are approximately 5,700 seats under this quota for MBBS and BDS. That's the first thing. Second thing is that the data is that out of 720, okay, if you are staying abroad, the minimum cutoff that our ward has to get is 339.5 out of 720. These are the 3-4 things which are very, very important for all of you expatriates to know. Now, here we are talking about this 1-year coaching program for NEET, right? Staying abroad, we realize that you are a little bit, away from this hardcore culture of NEET coaching, right? And here test prep card comes into the picture. What we do that in a very simple way, in a small group of students, say 15 students, not more than that, only 15 students. We do not keep 100 students or 120 students in a batch. We run multiple batches at different points of time. And the theory, the idea behind this small group is what? So that you do live interaction with the teacher, you ask queries, okay, you ask questions, you take completely live session. It's not that you are tapping chat box or something where the things are happening in an animated way. So this is the idea behind the small batches of test prep card. Only on the basis of that, since last 3 years, 2018, 19 and 20, we have been the highest result producer for JEE and NEET. So your ward is interacting with the best of the teacher of India for physics, chemistry and biology, right, in small batches at a particular point of time. And then once the theories, the teacher has cleared the theories, and once the theories have been translated into the concepts, converted into the concepts have been strengthened, then what we do, that we give you practicing a diverse variety of question of different level of difficulty related with each and every topic. Okay, then the second phase of test starts, where you practice 2 level of question, where all the topics of NEET for physics, chemistry and biology. For that we conduct 2 levels of topic test, and again the cycle of doubt removal session is repeated. And then the third level of test is what? Unit test and full end test, which is 13 number. Having practiced this much, more than 18,000 questions over a period of 1 year. For 1500 question per month and 30 question per day. You hardly have to pay half hour, 30 minutes in order to do this. Especially have to focus upon chemistry and physics because biology is more memory based. Do you think that you won't be able to produce the result? The students are like-minded. Whether they are from Saudi, whether they are from Oman, whether they are from Japan, from Singapore, from Malaysia, Indonesia, or from US, any part of the US, right? So you all are cruising towards the same target. Having done this practice since July 2008, test prep card is mastered to have understood your need, how we should coordinate with the NRI parents and the students, customized time, a lot of things which are customized, and the best of the coordination and swift coordination. You speak, you give a call, we hear, we call back. That's the best way we have been coordinating so far. This is the specialty of the test prep card for the various type of courses that we have been running in the name of NEET. So I invite all of you to come to us, to give your details to us, your phone number, your email ID. We call you back and then we invite you for an analysis session. Now, why it is important? It's not good just to push your child if your child doesn't have required aptitude to crack NEET or any state level medical examination. So a 1 hour analysis session, this gives you a very good scope to judge your child's aptitude, the mind and brain. It can be of biology or physics or chemistry. And then your child is invited to join our course, then he is coached, right, in a very systematic way, in a disciplined way. As I told you that the specialty of the test prep card is that practicing the different level of question of difficulty, of diverse variety of question, right, for this physics, chemistry and biology for NEET, that has actually been key to success. So you can discover the same, you can become part of the same method. That is it. So we request you just to give all the details to us. And if you have any specific technical queries regarding NEET, you can send us a mail to info@testprepcard.com. In order to stay tuned with all the latest development or all the information latest for this NEET exam scenario, I request you to subscribe to this channel of Test Prep Card. Thank you.